The Milky Way is a massive barred spiral galaxy and the celestial system in which humanity resides. Among its components, the number of stars is about 200 billion, forming a region with a diameter of up to 160,000 light-years. Our Sun is just one among those hundreds of billions located at the edge of the Milky Way, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center at this point. Many may ask, the Milky Way is so vast, can humans fly out of it and travel into the deeper regions of the universe? Based on current technological capability, flying out of the Milky Way is nearly impossible. Humans still rely on chemical fuel rockets, and the farthest celestial body reached is only the Moon. It's 380,000 kilometers away. Even Voyager 1, the farthest traveling unmanned probe, after accelerating through planetary gravity assists, has only traveled to a distance of 22 billion kilometers from Earth. This means that for Voyager 1 to leave the solar system, it would take about 18,000 years. Because the solar system itself has a diameter of about 1 light-year, scaling up to the Milky Way, size becomes unimaginably large. The Milky Way has a disc-shaped structure with a thickness of more than 3,000 light-years. Even if traveling vertically, Voyager 1 would need 52.8 million years to cross it. Yet its current speed is just 17 kilometers per second, far below the fourth cosmic velocity, making it incapable of escaping the Milky Way's gravitational pull. Thus, it is impossible to leave the Milky Way. Even with a spaceship capable of continuous propulsion, the journey would still be extremely difficult. Because for humans who only live for decades, such distances are completely unattainable, unless we travel at speeds infinitely close to the speed of light. Leaving the Milky Way remains hopeless. According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, the faster an object moves, the slower time passes for it. This means that if we approach light speed, the time required to travel 3,000 light-years would be greatly reduced, possibly to less than a year. However, near light-speed travel brings another issue: the relativistic mass increased effect. As an object's speed increases, not only does time dilation occur, but its mass also increases. The closer it gets to light speed, the more momentum is required approaching infinity. Therefore, traveling infinitely close to light speed is nearly impossible. However, there are two theoretically possible alternatives not affected by this mass increase: wormholes and warp drive theory. A wormhole, also known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge, involves bending and folding to separate points in space-time to create a shortcut. Warp drive, on the other hand, uses strong gravitational fields to compress space ahead and expand space behind, effectively shortening the distance. But so far, scientists know nothing concrete about wormholes or warp drives. They remain purely theoretical. Therefore, some believe humans may never be able to leave the Milky Way. It is like a cage forever confining us. So, do you believe that humans will one day fly out of the Milky Way? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below.